don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
Oga Carpenter. Oga, come. What did this man not for here? You don't go Oga here corner. Oga, come bring zinc to kwani here kwani. Not waiting and you talk like that. I think you change this zinc. He say you go buy new one. What be this? He say what? So the key back, I'm not. Okay, this one latest zinc will come out to this one. This is zinc. Okay, this one be latest zinc will come out. Maybe waiting me and you talk this. Now why you go like this kind of zinc here? Okay, this one latest zinc. It stand for me. Yeah, it stand for me on top of my money. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Police.
I don't want peace.
Sorry.
I want problems. Always.
It is smoky, Igbo.
Okay, sorry. Hey, okay, never call. What thing happened? Sorry. I was done though. See, I give this carpenter man. My house they leak water. I give him money. So make he not zinc for me. See what this guy? This guy no change me. I don't know whether na party dinner wait. I don't know what to do here. I never have money.
You never hear something.
Yeah, wait.
You come this place in you. You never hear about these stupid contractors them. Hey. I go tell you where you go buy that zinc. Now I introduce you to one person. I tell you. You know why Ocha?
Why Ocha?
Why Ocha when they say aluminium zinc for opposite is Subila hospital.
Right. For Subila side you can get your coupon. You can get your zinc there. Motropoco, step ties, even ties wey be say they do for parlor and the two logo ma ever kick want all kinds of ties, barrow and nail and zinc, even Cameroon zinc in Eba. Once in Eba, na list all the number on my screen right now. Braga one and K Adajo Ramma one Ocha, nke there aluminium limited zinc. Ma all these aluminium things, ma you all like KJ Mezula. Allow this contract man, this stupid man to go. Oga go open my money, leave am, rush now, go for Adajo Ramma shop. Why am na salo? Why am eje mono? Why am mala mamadu ana? Yana shop na je bru moto proposing ke ko na beg ko de ma. O ga am ko no.